Hey everybody, I'm Jason Gillette down here at Grand Prairie Nissan. Just want to show you a really quick item in the Nissan Rogue, and that's an accessory called the cargo cover. So some Rogues come with this accessory. You may have purchased one yourself, and a lot of people just don't realize that they're removable. So first of all, the function of it is to keep sunlight or to keep prying eyes off of your goods. So you can actually just retract it here, hook it in here, and then when you close the hatch, nobody can see inside there. Great for keeping thieves out, great for hiding presents from your loved ones around Christmas. Yeah, so they do have good function. Now, it's kind of in the way if we want to put luggage or anything back here, so what we would do is it's spring-loaded from the side, and I can actually just kind of push on the springs from both sides, and I can take it out completely, giving us all the cargo again. Now, what do you do with this? Well, the Rogue is an awesome vehicle that has built-in storage for it. Traditionally, in other vehicles, this just ends up in your garage or cluttered somewhere, but no, Nissan was thinking, so with the Rogue, they have kind of a subfloor storage system here. So I can actually lift this first part of the floor out and unclip the sides here. These just come right out. And then I can put this down in this space. Once that's in there, just put these back on. They clip in nice and easy. Subfloor in. Bam! It's out of the way. Nice and easy when we want to use it, out of the way when we don't. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. And yeah, just another tip for you with your Nissan.